Yo, Belayzed.
What's up, guys? This is day one at Miguel's. We're here in the Red River Gorge in Kentucky. We're gonna be here for like a whole week. Let's get it.
What?
Yeah, I hope.
Yeah, I've never been to the top.
Hey! Hey, Jonathan, I got that shit on camera too.
Get those chains in, come on.
What if he fucking jumps in my mouth?
My girlfriend works at like a boutique supply store kind of thing, and she got me this like...
Oh, we in the spider!
Into the Belayzed video.
Oh, do it. We need it sideways.
I'm sorry.
Oh, my bad, Court.
You're good, I didn't, you know.
Well, I should have been looking. I wasn't looking.
Alright, do we gotta... Is there a club rack anywhere?
How's it going up there, Ja?
Good, good.
I mean, I could grab them if you want.
It's way slabbier than I thought it'd be in terms of style
Yeah, where's
quality.
your bag?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now it looks like once you got past that first bolt, you're chilling.
Yeah, yeah.
It looks pretty fun.
Yeah.
The jacket idea is actually genius.
Yeah, it really is. How you guys doing over here? Solid.
Solid.
Rock solid.
Oh, rock hard.
Flipping.
Actually gives you an advantage.
Nice job. What's going on with this route, Ja?
Just took like a 30-foot whipper, 35-foot whipper, something like that.
Clipping
it was a
anchors.
great time. It was a good time. Got back up, didn't lose any gear.
Yes, sir.
It's a win. Testing out the new rope. First
Yep.
day on the new rope. Had to put it through the ringer.
Yep. Great way to end day one.
Yeah, great day. And day one. First whip caught by Aiden. That was
Yeah,
awesome.
first whip catch by me.
Impressive.
Oh, yeah, I'm out. Let it eat. Yep, I mean. New challenger.
I'm back, bitches. We got a new lens. We got all the people over here. Jonathan might throw himself up a 12A and I'm gonna film it, or I'll probably photograph it low-key.
Yeah.
But it's hot, it's humid. I'm not high, I'm very sober, which is a problem. But we'll fix that later, it's okay.
Welcome to Muir Valley, baby.
Welcome to Muir Valley, baby.
Damn, okay.
Big discrepancy.
Yeah, that's quite a shift.
Are we just yanking this out?
Make sure you untie your... What does the S signify?
What?
Amelia, on your harness? I assume so.
Yeah, this will make some sick footage right here. Really climbing.
I know how to do this, I just haven't done it in a while. Actually, that's not true. I did it like 2 minutes ago.
Pulling out the solutions.
Yeah, bro. Got some overhang going.
The boys discovered a 12A project. We're going full new school ethics on this, it seems like.
Yeah. I'm gonna jug up this bitch.
Discovered is a lofty word.
I mean, discovered as in we walked past it and said we wanted to do it.
I saw it in the mountain project.
Yeah.
I saw a 40-foot 12A with 1.5 stars. And it said, this is not a 12A, but it was my first 12A, so it's a 12A. So that sounds like something I'm interested in.
And I'm gonna document him on his first 12A.
That's right.
We're gonna stick clip each bolt, and he's gonna feel all the holds and tell me how they feel.
Yep.
We're going straight new school flash ethics on
Yeah,
this.
and then we're gonna see where I'm gonna sit, but
Either
I might be on that ledge with no gear, or I might be, I don't know, somewhere else with gear.
Let's do it.
We'll figure it out.
Okay, so now you gotta unclip your PAS. Yep. The weight should be on the rope. Set tick mark on the right, feel like.
It's the effort it takes to jump 2 full grades.
That's terrible.
Oh no, that's a needed one. Yeah.
I needed that one to be good, but fuck.
You need to go this is the mark, right?
Yeah.
You gotta go to the left of it.
Okay.
Or you go slightly left of this, and it's a slopey ass crimp. That honestly, it's like pretty textured.
Oh, there's my white.
Okay.
Wait, are you guys from Wisconsin?
Yeah, we are. But
I got it. We were guessing your accent.
Oh,
I knew it.
Yeah, pretty much. There's just marginal feet. Oh, this is the thumb press move.
This is the thumb press.
Yeah, that is cool, Ja. Ooh, okay, okay. Okay, that is way more chill than the way we did it, Ja. New.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, dude.
Swing into it.
Come on, rock over it.
Lizard free solo slab climbing. My bad, my bad.
Oh!
The boulder problem.
He's there, he's there. Oh! Right hand jump. Oh yeah, yeah. He needs to bump. Oh.
Oh! Don't want to be hydrated.
Oh, that's a good right. That's a good
Come
left
on,
hand.
he's found the dry path. He found the dry path. Come on, come on. He's so close.
He's pumping out.
Come on.
Oh my god.
Fight the pump.
He needs to grab the sledge.
Fight the pump.
Good ledge.
No, get over it. Come on.
Oh, the down climb. It looks treacherous over there, buddy.
Oh,
Wait, is he gonna use the ridge? He's just gonna slide straight down that road.
Oh, I gotta go this way.
Most unathletic game of basketball. Look who decided to show up.
Pulled up a few days late. Did a little free solo warm up.
Yep.
Got on the 9.
At the practice wall right now.
I'm getting flamed about my oversized Tiva's oversized harness. We don't got the setup right now, but
Show off the merch. Spin it around. Let's see.
we
Belayzed.
got the only filled in Belayzed logo ever created right here. This is a one of one, gentlemen.
Yeah.
I don't know if I want to pull on this.
It's not like you're gonna really place anything.
Yeah.
There's like nowhere to place gear at all.
I did this one. I got sweaty as well.
Oh, yeah.
Nice, Jonathan.
Good shit, Jonathan.
How was that?
Weird.
Yeah, it looked weird.
That wasn't very fun.
I don't know if I want to leave that one.
Chocolate fudge and airhead strips. No big deal.
The beer centers my gravity.
Yeah, it does. gets a little bit more weight in your stomach.
Oh yeah.
All that's missing now is a joint.
A joint in one hand and a beer in the other.
Yep.
Go back to back.
We do want no speakers so we can put our own music on.
Yeah, no speaker, because we're gonna.
The slurping noises. Stop. Get your tongue out of there.
Call me push cause I push by the collar. Used to push keys, tell the D's push harder. Push start, push button, start the car up. Push me, push your wig back like barbers. Off with your toupee, I boss hog like Tulane. Fuck red dots, but my bullets come in Blu-ray. Pussy ass niggas and they sweet like Kool-Aid. Married to the game, tell them niggas catch the bouquet. So ball with hard, sometimes I'd rather beat off. My kick so fire, burn the skin up on my feet off. Tell them turn the heat down, they tell me take my mink off. She's so amused to the point she wanna skeet off. Fancy, matter on the Lancy. Boom, boom, so good, I eat it through a panty. Hippie Jamaican bitch always tripping up a Zandy. One slow, so I give a go like Santi. Babes on my feet, make the cipher complete. More jealous by the week, say my style is unique. Picking bitches by the teeth, for my bitches be heat. Put the pussy on locks, I remind them of sheep. Cutting niggas with my lines like a barber with Zeeks. Burn a nigga with my rhymes that the arsenal speak. I'm trying to have a Nicki Minaj every weekend. Fuck making her come, I'ma fuck her till she pee. And if she was a midget, I will fuck her on my knees. Cause that ass fat, I will fuck her till she sleep. It's a trap, Lord Sunday, every day of the week. ASAP till I DIE.
Oh my god. What? Oh, wait.
I'm just gonna.
Oh shit.
You got it.
I think the
Bro,
arms
that
gotta
neck
go.
hole is. Oh, I was afraid she was gonna
Just destroy them. Oh.
destroy the neck.
Hey Chris, it's Jonathan here. 6'3", 155 pounds, plus 6'8" index.
What's on your Oh, that geese. That's what I said, bring him back, bro.
Yeah, nice dude.
On today's episode of the Micros would have been helpful.
I always feel like that.
It is not hard.
Yeah. You got it though. Nice dude.
How do you get into this?
Yeah, that's so awesome.
And everybody's having sex, you know. I just got a maid from a girl and I'm at
Ceremonious retirement of the shoes after your deployment to Miguel's. All right, Julie, don't miss. Did you hit a car?
Throw it this way. Or maybe go on the other side of the tree.
Hey, you asked for the high branch. I just gotta get the high branch.
All right, Julie, come on, take two. Even though take one will be included also.
He missed the first attempt and almost hit the car.
Woo!
Probably. I would doubt that anyone would throw uncooked cheese up there.
Anyone got a gun?
What's up, guys? Coming to you from the final day here at Miguel's in the Red River Gorge. As you can see, it's pretty rainy today, so there will be no more climbing to be done, but we will not let that get us down. We're gonna have a fun day with old and new friends alike. So thank you for watching, and remember, always check your knots.